The 2nd Civil Engineer Squadron has been hard at work at the Barksdale Club pool near the North Gate. It will now be the only pool open to Barksdale personnel.
This year we've decided to go to one pool, so this is the actual, the primary pool of Barksdale Air Force Base. We've shut down West Pool.
Several changes were made to the North Pool so it will be more enjoyable for the airmen and their families.
The community everybody will be able to come over here and enjoy, the slides, and we have a different feature that's going to be going up over in the baby pool. What we've done so far here is we've redone the shower rooms, we've redone the barber shop and turned it into a concession stand. They've also added the slide, and one of the biggest things to add to this is we've turned it into a saltwater pool.
The pool is scheduled to open Friday, May 24th. I'm Airman First Class Tori Groshik, Barksdale Air Force Base, Louisiana.